Hi everyone, today we are going to explore the valid palindrome problem using TypeScript. Let's dive into the problem statement and see how we can tackle it using TypeScript. A palindrome is a sequence of characters that reads the same forwards and backwards, like level or race car. In this problem, we are given a string containing alphanumeric characters. Our goal is to determine if it is a valid palindrome, ignoring cases and all non-alphanumeric characters. If we consider an example, race a car. If we remove the spaces, then it will become this. Now, if we reverse it or read it from right to left, you can see that A is not here. So it is not a valid palindrome. We will return false. Let's consider another example. Here we have just a empty string with a space. So if we remove the spaces from this and then we reverse it, it will also a empty string. So it is also a valid palindrome. Let's jump into the code. We have a function with name is palindrome, taking a string A as input and returning a boolean. First we have to lower the uppercase letters. For that we will write s is equal to s dot to lowercase. Next, we have to remove all the alphanumeric, non-alphanumeric characters from the string. I will use replace function. This replace receive two arguments. First argument is the pattern and second argument is the replacement. So what this pattern specifies that all the elements other than A to Z or 0 to 9 will be replaced by an empty string. We have converted all the uppercase letters to lowercase letter and we have removed all the non-alphanumeric characters. Now let's declare two variables. Let left of type number is equal to 0. Let right of type number is equal to s dot length minus 1. Okay. I have initialized two pointers left and right to the beginning and ending of the string respectively. The left will represent the beginning of a string and right will represent the ending of a string. Next, we will declare a while loop. This while loop will run until this condition is matched. And the condition here I have specified is left becomes greater than right. This loop will break and our control will be flow to next statement. Inside the while loop, I will check if the characters at left of the string and the characters at the right of the string are not equal. I will return from the function indicating that the given string is not a palindrome. If string of left is not equal to string of right, return false. If this is not the case, I want to increment the left and decrement right. That means I will move left to right and right to left. For that, I will increment left and decrement right. That is also done. If the loop completes without returning false, return true, indicating it is a palindrome. We will return true, indicating that the given string is a palindrome. Let's run the code. Our case 3 is accepted, case 2 is accepted, and case 1 is also accepted. So we can submit the code. Our submission is also accepted. And that's how we solve the valid palindromy problem using TypeScript.